Aloha, this is Patagonia. What's up?
There are companies with great products, companies that take care of their employees, and companies that respect the environment. Then there is Patagonia. Patagonia is repeatedly voted one of the best companies to work at and one of the best companies for working mothers. So a lot of people want to get in. When they do the occasional hire, they want to make absolutely sure that the candidate is a good fit. As Patagonia founder Yvonne Chenard observes, we don't want to hire anyone we wouldn't want to have dinner with.
It's critical that our employees, whether they're new hires or long-standing employees, are completely in line with our philosophy and values. And it rarely happens that someone slips through the interview process that isn't lined up in that way.
In fact, Patagonia does very little traditional recruiting. It doesn't have to, since it has one of the lowest turnover rates in its industry, about 4% annually.
We're very fortunate because we have an employee base that has very low turnover. So when people get hired at Patagonia, it seems to be a place where they want to remain for a long time. Interviewing at Patagonia is multifaceted. Some aspects are what you would traditionally find at an organization, involving reviewing resumes that come in for an open job, culling out the ones that don't meet the basic qualifications, and then subsequently doing phone interviews and in-person interviews. Where Patagonia differentiates is that we do a lot of group interviews where we'll bring a candidate in and they'll sit down with a group of people that they may be working with, they may be managing, they may be reporting to, and we therefore have more of a conversation because it's a group environment as opposed to one-on-one. To us, we're trying to assess the candidate's level of comfort within this culture, and because collaborative working style is an emblematic part of our culture, using that as part of the interview process is a great way for us to assess their comfort with that kind of work style.
Patagonia looks for people that have backgrounds in outdoor activities like hiking, climbing, and surfing, but who are also passionate about other things as well, like cooking or playing music. Their extensive group interviews and background analyses seek to glean those people who are fanatical about preserving and protecting the environment from those who merely enjoy nature.
So Patagonia's commitment to the environment is at the very core of our company. And if you look at our mission statement, it doesn't mention anything about apparel. It's only about resolving environmental issues. The return on investments with environmental protocols actually is a much more efficient way of doing business from a cost standpoint as well.
Patagonia tests job candidates for the same passion and commitment found in its own culture. When a new hire fits, the rewards are unprecedented in almost any industry. In Yvonne Chenard's own words, "Let my people surf."
What I love most about Patagonia, of course, just the trust that I'm going to get my job done and I'm not being micromanaged, and the flexibility is huge. My favorite part of Patagonia are the people, though, that we have the most uncommon culture here. If you were to kind of funnel it down to one thing, it's because of the people that work here. So that's my favorite part.